My brother, my sister, uyabona empilweni mawuthola ukuthi abantu bakhuluma ngawe phansi phezulu mawudlula nje emgwaqweni uthi uyavela nje hayi kuba brat hey uyambona nayi out le uyambona sekayenzeni never mind labantu abanjalo nje yabona kunabantu abaphila leyo mpilo leyo baphilela ukubheka impilo zabantu yabona so never mind abantu abanjalo and again futhi yazi ukuthi makuzithola ukuthi umuntu onjalo mawudlula abakhuluma ngawo zazi ukuthi uyaphila esifaru semhlabeni wempela umuntu wempela futhi umwamampela ngoba okwenzayo ukwenza ukuthi babe nenkulumo ngoba lokho okwenzile nokwenzayo futhi abakhona ukukwenza abakwazi at all so never mind abantu abanjalo mawungaya ngabo awuzokucobala uzozibona izinto zakho zihamba staraha zonke izinto zizofadalala zibe staraha because of wena sokunefear ugcina ubonakala kwangathi suyahlanya wena ngokwakho kanti cina eba strong doesn't matter ukuthi kwenzakalani empilweni ngihlala ngibeka kanjalo ukuthi you need to know ukuthi kunama-ups and downs la emhlabeni siphilela wona sifana nemarket yabona makhuluma ngabo-forex market like it goes up it goes down. You buy, you sell. Kune negative ne positive, that's life. You need to understand ukuthi kunokusharp, kunokubheda. Yabona? Hlala wazi ukuthi kunokuba nesikhathi esimnandi kuzoba nesikhathi sobuhlungu. Isikhathi sobuhlungu masifikile, appreciate futhi ucine, udlule kuso usidlulise sikhona ukudlula, ukhona ukuba umuntu wamampela, yabona? Believe in yourself, my sister, my brother, because you have it. You got it. Yekela labo bayirawo bakhuluma amarawo bakhuluma izinto ezibangazazi nje. As long as bakhuluma ngawo uyi-celebrity kubo. Just have joy and have fun, enjoy life, be yourself and be more creative and focus ezintweni ezikwenzela impilo, ezintweni ezikufakela income. Anything and a source of income into your life will make you the better person. That's it.